Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how you can cycle through the firing settings on an Empire Mini GS. First thing you're going to need to know is that this gun understands 4 kinds of input. You can press the foregrip button, or you can hold the foregrip button down. You can pull the trigger once, or you can hold the trigger down. And those are going to be the 4 base commands that this understands, or any combination of the 2. And the four different firing settings that this gun comes with right out of the box is setting number 1 is semi, setting number 2 is NXL Ramped, setting 3 is PSP Ramped, and setting number 4 is Ramp Full Auto. So what we're going to do is we're going to get into the firing setting guide. So we're going to hold down our trigger as we turn the gun on by holding down our foregrip button. So hold the trigger down, turn this on. It's going to flash lights like you see and let us know we're in there. You can let the trigger go once the lights quit flickering. Now we're on the settings guide, and I believe I'm on full ramped right now. Say I want to go to NXL. What we're going to do in order to set the setting that we want, we're going to hold down the trigger. It's going to blink this light at me and let me know what setting I'm already at. So it'll blink the light at me, tell me 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to click 2 for NXL. It's going to flash lights back at me. It's going to let me know that the setting is correct. So after that's done, this gun is set to NXL ramp. So we're going to turn off gun with the foregrip, and then without holding the trigger, we're going to turn it back on. On safety. Now we're live. So this is going to be the ramp. You hear that now? Do that one more time. I'm just going to cycle back to semi so you can see me do it real quick. You can hold down, flash. Now we're at the settings guide. Hold it down. Hey, you're on 2. I'm going to go for 1. It's going to say, okay, now we're going to 1. So we're going to turn that off, get out of the guide, and now we're just going to hold it down and get the gun live. And now you can hear the ramping's off, and this is just regular semi. So that's how you're going to cycle through. That's how you're going to get to all the different settings. Like I said, the numbers correspond to the amount of clicks. So if you want semi-automatic, you're going to click once, going to click twice for NXL ramp, and you're going to click 3 times for PSP and 4 for full auto. It's pretty simple. You can do this, definitely do this during like a scenario game. Not going to be wanting to do it during speedball, but it's a quick, easy way to get different styles of play in. So hope that helped.